Häfele's vehicle fleet comprises approximately 90 vehicles. Over the past 7 years, we have transitioned from having zero hybrid and full electric vehicles to these vehicle types now accounting for over 50% of the fleet.
I'm Adeline and I drive the 𝗙𝗂𝗍𝗂𝗍𝗂𝗍 Enyaq.
My name is Matt Walker. I drive a hybrid vehicle at Häfele.
I love driving the car knowing that it's not causing any pollution to the environment.
The benefits of driving a hybrid vehicle are that they're clean and smooth and quiet and good for the environment. There's also a financial benefit in that you get much better fuel consumption, so you spend less money on fuel.
But also on a personal level, it's great knowing that it's saving me money each month in terms of company car tax.
Häfele has supported me in my car choice by providing a broad list of options to choose from.
And I could pick a car that suited me and my family in terms of being able to get the car seats in the back. That was something important to me.
It's great that I'm able to charge my car at Häfele when I need to.
I, of course, need to plan ahead and charge before long journeys, but I can either do that at home or using the on-site car chargers here at Häfele.
I would say to somebody considering the swap to a hybrid vehicle to kind of go ahead and do it. Sometimes the scale of the environmental issues can feel quite overwhelming and it can be difficult to pin down exactly what you can do at a personal level. So making the switch to a hybrid vehicle is definitely one of those things.
If anybody thinking about changing to an electric car, it's really not as much of a transition as you would expect. There's lots of chargers across the country. You can download apps to find out where those chargers are, and it was fairly quick and easy to get a car charger installed at home as well.
To facilitate our transition plans, we initially installed 8 rapid EV chargers at our head office site in 2020 and are installing 8 additional units during 2024.